Okay, so we're now going to use the skills that we were revising in the previous examples to solve a simultaneous equation with a quadratic. So here is the quadratic, here's the linear equation. So one way to make an equation just with one letter is to substitute this x squared for y. So the word substitute means replace. I know y equals x squared. This is a y. So what we're doing, we're replacing y with the x squared because it's equal to x squared. So x squared equals x plus 6. Now the reason we've done that is because we've now got an equation with one letter, and as it has one letter, it's going to give us some solutions, and in this case it will be 2 solutions. Now in order to use my skills to solve this, I need to make this equation equal to 0, and the way I would do that, I know this is a positive x and a positive 6, so in order to make it equal to 0 and get rid of this on this side and leave 0 on this side, is to take away x and to take away 6 from both sides of this equation. So let's just do this one step at a time. So take away x, take away 6. I'm going to take away x and take away 6 from this side. And what I'm left with when I do that is x squared, take away x, take away 6. Well, this is gone, equals 0. Right, now looking at this here, well, what multiplies to make negative 6 but will add to make negative 1? Well, I know that's negative 3 and 2. So I'm going to rewrite the left hand side by factorising my expression. So I've got x take away 3, x plus 2 equals 0. What values of x give us 0? As x equals 3, because x equals 3 would make this bracket 0, and then 0 times 5 is still 0, and the other answer would be x equals negative 2. Let's just check that. So negative 2 add 2 is 0. 0 times, well, that would be negative 5, is still 0. So these are my 2 solutions. Now, when you're looking for the values that satisfy both equations, we're also going to have a value for y. So the way we do that is we put our x values back into our equation. When x equals 3, so have a look up here, y, so we look here, when y is equal to x plus 6, so that'll be 3 plus 6, so we've put it into this right linear equation here, so y equals 9. And then looking at this one over here, if we put it back into this right hand equation, y equals negative 2 plus 6, well, y is going to equal 4. So our answers are x is equal to 3 when y equals 9. So this gives us one set of answers, and this gives us the other one, x equals negative 2 when y equals 4.